A pleasant morning to everyone. My name is Christian Zerbi Pagulayan, a senior high school student from Union Christian College. Today, I am going to make a speech about my opinion on the loosening of restrictions of the pandemic protocols in my city. The city where I live is San Fernando. In my city, there have already been a loosening of restrictions of the pandemic protocols, in which the malls were now open to the public, which are the CSI Mall, the Mana Mall, and the New Robinsons Mall. Food stalls were also installed in the plaza and other places where people can buy and eat foods, and even the children are now allowed to go out in the public. With the loosening of the pandemic protocols in my city, I am highly worried and scared for both the safety and security of the people, especially the children and senior citizens, which are the most vulnerable from this virus. And most especially, I also think that with the loosening of the pandemic protocols in my city, the people can and will possibly be infected by the virus, and that the number of the COVID-19 infected people can and will rise. I have many reasons if why I think the number of COVID-19 infected people can and will rise by the loosening of the restrictions of the pandemic protocols. The first reason is simply because there can be many people that will go out in the public, which can and will rise the number of COVID-19 infected people simply because they are in the public and there are many of them, in which a crowded place where there are many people and full of people is one of the places where COVID-19 easily spreads. Another reason is simply because the people are now given the freedom to go out in the public, which can and will rise the number of COVID-19 infected people simply because with the freedom that they have, they might forget to or to not even follow the health protocols, do what is right, and that they may do anything and everything that they want to do, even if it is not right, such as not following the health protocols on COVID-19, which can and will be a possibility for them to be infected with the virus. The last and most significant reason if why the number of COVID-19 infected people can and will rise by the loosening of the restrictions of the pandemic protocols is simply because of the action itself, which can and will rise the number of COVID-19 infected people simply because if they are now able and already allowed to go out in the public, even though the virus has not even completely eliminated and the pandemic is not still completely over, then they might still be infected by the virus, and that there can and will even be a higher chance of them being infected by the virus if they will go out in the public. So, for me, it is a much greater and excellent choice and decision to not still loosen the restrictions of the pandemic protocols in my city, simply for the reason that I want that all of the people in my city will be able to have safety and security during this pandemic so that they may not be infected by the virus. Other than my opinion on the loosening of restrictions of the pandemic protocols in my city, I also have suggestions for the people to do for them to be safe from the virus. My first suggestion is that the only time for people to go out in the public is when they have to do something important. Only the people with strong immune system, which are mostly adults, must be the only one to go out in the public and not the children and senior citizens. And lastly, my most significant suggestion is that I suggest that all of the people must be able to follow the safety procedures to be done for them to be safe from COVID-19, such as simply using face masks, observing social distancing, avoiding crowded places, etc. I have also a recommendation as well for the people to do for them to be safe from the virus, in which my one and only recommendation is that the people must simply be able to get vaccinated, which is also for their own safety and security, in order for them to be protected and have a high chance of not being infected by the virus. To finally conclude my speech, the thing that I wanted to happen is that I want that the people must be able to simply be responsible and follow all of the health protocols on COVID-19. They must do what is right and not do what is wrong. And most especially is to just simply be able to get vaccinated so that they can and will be able to happily and successfully go out in the public again and with safety and security and nothing to worry about and be scared of. And that ends my speech. Thank you so much for listening. And again, a pleasant morning to everyone.